everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's Bennington dealer. Hopefully by now you've been watching a couple of my videos and you're starting to see a trend here. That trend is we have boats in stock, ready to sell, outside and inside. So no matter the weather, come on by and see us. Today I'm standing on a 2023 Bennington 22 SSRX. This boat does have the tri-tune package. It's going to be powered by a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine. If you've seen some of the other videos, this boat has the captain and co-captain seat with the quad seating arrangement, one of our most popular seating arrangements. And the colors on this just look as rich as it gets. This is the smoky granite paneling color with the platinum and espresso interior, and the bamboo woven vinyl flooring is tinted to match the interior. Just a great looking color scheme all around. Thomas is going to give you a little better view of the outside of the boat and then hand the phone over to me so I can show you the inside. Okay, everyone. You'll see on this one I've got the table out on it. This is a removable table, so you can put it away. This boat does have the portable cup holders, which you can place anywhere inside the boat. A couple of nice things about Bennington is it does have a designated area for the trash can. There's the captain and co-captain seat with the stern radius seating arrangement. A great seating arrangement to be able to maximize people capacity on this boat. Showing you the console here, you do have the PMX2 Bluetooth radio with the flush-mounted Garmin Striker 4 and full instrumentation. Notice how that throttle wraps around to the right side of the driver. Just ergonomically very comfortable position to be operating the boat on. Show you guys a little bit about some of our other inventory. You see the guys over there getting them ready. As with all of our Benningtons, this will come with a 10-foot long bimini top and a full boat cover. And we do have the Yamaha 150 horsepower motor in stock for this boat, and this boat will also have the ski tow bar. Please come on and see us at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Thank you.